We're demonstrating the screw clasp on our amber necklaces. So you just unscrew and screw it back together. Now I'm going to try to pull it apart. So what we're having is obviously stretching. You can see. I'm going to continue to pull. And it popped at the clasp. And you can re-screw it together. I can't even get it apart.
All right, let's try the pop clasp.
Pop clasp. Anytime you take it off, you should be taking it off using the actual clasps. So pop it in, pop it out. But we all know kids are going to pull it apart, and it's just a quick release.
Last one.
Convertible clasp has, again, use the barrels to take it off. It has our convertible inserts, so it's a reverse screw. So you would take it out and you can exchange it. Reverse this way. And then pop it in, pop out. Just like the other pop clasp. And in each package will come with a screw insert. Again, reverse threading. Screw it in. Do one side and get it pretty tight, and then the other side will also be reverse. So you can extra do a reverse to get it tight on. And then this is not going to come apart. You're going to get some, obviously with this pull, you're going to get a lot of stretching, but I'm obviously pulling pretty hard as an adult, but it's not coming off. So there you go. Thanks.